Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get more Starfall Shards in Heartopia. So you'll need to purchase this action first from Doris. It is the Wishing Star action. Um, and basically when you do this action, it's going to bring like more luck. I guess like it just brings more like shards to the ground, like from the meteor shower. So you're just going to press that. I get confused every time like where action is, so sorry about that. And you'll see like the sky, you'll see that like yellow like meteor fall. It is a little bit hard for me to like find it, by the way. I had to like go around this like village a lot of times. It should be like near where it fell, but I think mine kept falling like in the water. That's why it like spawned somewhere else. But you'll be able to find it. You just have to kind of look for it. I found mine here, but it should be like close to where the like meteor shower went, but it kept like going in the water. So I think they like kind of like moved it somewhere else. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.